the song Zog Maran, which is about, hidden Jews during the Inquisition. And there's a wonderful version of it with Laurie Kahan Simon and Michael Alpert. And I heard that, and I play it over and over again. And my viola teacher and I recently worked out a version that my string quintet is going to play. We use some harmony by Linda Hirschhorn, who's a local composer and arranger. And so that song, when we ran through it once with the other people in my it's a string quartet with two violas, so it's a string quintet. Of the other five, I think the other four people, one is Jewish. And I realized that to explain the song in English, it sounds so depressing. And the song's in minor, but minor isn't sad in Jewish life. And I've argued with my Jewish teacher, with my viola teacher, who's part Jewish, and she says, well, no, minor is sad. And I've said, well, minor keys don't sound sad to me. They sound soulful. They sound, I guess soulful's the right word. But to explain to other people why this song about Jews hiding in a cave to celebrate Pesach, and the last line is, and when the enemy finds us, we'll die singing. And thank God Linda Hirschhorn, in her version that her group Vocalo sings, changes the end to say, and when the enemy comes, we'll drown them with our singing, which is a much, sort of more contemporary version that we're gonna fight back. We're gonna go down with strength. But for me, hearing Yiddish music is a religious experience, and it's as much a religious experience as davening in shul.